Governor Brown put a pause on reopening the state. The question now is why. Oregon health officials say it's because there has been a concerning increase in COVID-19 cases and hospitalizations. Tonight, our Jacqueline Abad is digging deeper. Jacqueline, what do officials say about what is causing these increases?
Emily, well, Oregon health officials say that these recent increases are attributed to workplace outbreaks, and with testing becoming more accessible, they are seeing more positive results. And even though we've had these increases, the Oregon Health Authority officials say that there are some good signs. The emergency department visits at hospitals for COVID-like illnesses are below 1%, and health officials are staying on top of contact tracing. Only about 22% of cases cannot be traced to an exposure. And officials are also telling people to continue physical distancing, wash your hands, and wear face coverings. Over at Multnomah County, Dr. Jennifer Vine says the state cited an increase in hospitalizations as one of the reasons they could not move on to phase one.
What we're seeing now is the result of viral transmission that happened days, if not weeks ago. So we are continually behind and having to try to figure out where we've been and where we're going. The state has not specifically told Multnomah County anything specifically that we need to do or particularly change within the next week.
New hospitalizations are a telling measure of how well we're doing. Yet, because they're a lagging indicator, they tell us about infections that occurred many days ago, not what's happening right now.
In the meantime, Multnomah County will continue to do contact tracing, increase testing, and reach out to communities of color that have been disproportionately affected by COVID-19. And also, we've been seeing many people asking the question if these demonstrations are connected to the increase in COVID-19 cases. Dr. Seidlinger says that it's not clear and we should have more information in the coming days. I also reached out to Multnomah County to see if they've seen an increase. They say that there have been fewer than 5 cases of someone who's tested positive for COVID-19 who reported that they attended a demonstration. I'll dig a little bit deeper into that coming up tonight at 5 and 6. Reporting live, Jacqueline Abad, 6 News.
Jacqueline, thank you.